Hello my friend, I'm Wolf from iSentrol Technology. I'm going to introduce the products from our company. This is a simple water flow meter. The model is US208M. It can be powered by 5 to 24 volts DC. It can work with any of our water flow sensor. When the water passing by, it will show the current flow rate. The unit is liter per minute. Just now, I blow the water flow sensor with air. You can see the flow rate just now. When the water stops, it shows the total volume. Currently, it is 1.7 liters. Well, the number may be not correct, but the function is like this. Let's try again. Current flow rate, total volume, we can adjust the display. There are 4 buttons here. From up to down, set, increase, decrease, shift. We press set for 5 seconds. Enter the menu. 1 point is the key value for the flow sensor. Each flow sensor has a different key value. We can adjust the key value by press increase and decrease button. Press once, increase 1. Press twice, quickly. It will increase 1000. Thus, you can adjust the number quickly. Press decrease button. Press twice, quickly. We can decrease 1000. After adjusting the number, we press Shift to save. And let's check again. Okay, saved. Then we press set for 5 seconds to exit. Now the current flow rate changes. Thank you for watching.